"Are you in college or university, or do you have a job now?" And he simply answered, "I'm Korean." Oh my god, you guys, it's been a while since I last uploaded a video. Welcome back to Chatty Uses channel. Hope you're doing well. It's been a month. School ended a month ago, and then I've been doing nothing for a month. I gotta take a break. Exactly. With my 20 subscribers, I already need a break. There has been a lot going on in this world, and I wasn't sure what kind of video I should be creating. So the other day I was on my phone again. Honestly, I have nothing to do besides spending like a quarter of my time of the day on my phone. And I found this post. It was hilarious. So, someone was asking, "Are you in college or university, or do you have a job now?" And he simply answered, "I'm Korean." I'm just like, okay. Well, but I have to say, like, if you haven't been following K-pop culture, basically everyone is going crazy for the K-pop idol and also the Korean style, the trend. So I thought, you know what? Let me turn myself into a Korean. That's like not possible, right? Because if you don't know, I'm 100% Chinese. But there's definitely these Korean aesthetics and style I could follow. I mean, honestly, I really like this guy's style. Like, look at him and look at me compare. Right, pig and prince. Yeah, so today I'm just going to try to turn me into this hot Korean guy. And let's get started. I'm starting from the skin. Obviously he has really pale and fair skin tone. Okie dokie. So I'm going to be applying this SK2 CC cream. It is the lightest foundation I own. Since we are using SK2 already, I'm going to use this SK2 mousse. Let me show you guys texture. So I'm going to apply just another layer of this on my face. I'm really going to focus on the highlight area of my face and try to use this as a concealer. I'm going to apply a layer of powder.
1 hour later.
I'm gonna apply some NARS loose powder in my forehead. You know, just a tiny little bit, it's enough. So let's refer back to this picture. Okay, let's take a good look. It looks like he has dark black eyebrows and blush, maybe a tiny little bit. I can't tell if he's wearing contour, but I'm gonna contour. So let's contour and then let's do a little bit blush and then let's do the complete matte black eyebrows. Fenty stick in the color of amber just to make my face look smaller. Wow, I definitely think my face is smaller right now. Can you tell I'm gaining weight? That's what happens when you are stuck at home and eat and sleep and game and, you know, do nothing. Already for brows, I'm going to use my brand new brow pen I got from Shu. Right, I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm using this because this is in the color of dark gray, which doesn't make your eyebrows look too dramatic. Okay, so the other day I was like just thinking to myself about, you know, what makeup has changed my life so far. I have to say, I've been spending a lot of money on makeup, and I've been, starting to care about how I look. And then most importantly, I feel like if I'm going out for an important date or whatever, like whatever that is important, or even just going out for shopping, I feel like I have to put on makeup so that I feel secure. Okay, so now my brows are more defined. Contour is done. Highlight. Do you think we need highlight? Probably. No, I can't tell if this guy is wearing any highlight. But let's move on to the eye look. Eye look is really important because I do notice that although for the Korean beauty standard, you want to approach a natural, effortless look. But then a lot of guys, they do wear eye makeup. In particular, they do wear liners and shadows from time to time. So today I'm definitely going to use a little bit of both. And if we zoom in to this guy's picture again, let me just quickly see what's going on his face. I can't really tell if he's wearing an eyeshadow, but it looks like there's like dark brownish color or even pink around his eyelid. So the first palette I'm going to use is this matte cocoa palette from KKW Beauty. For the base, let me use this color, just a tiny little bit, and let's make sure that we're not hitting a mass area. Swap to this tiny little brush. Can you see? It's tiny. I think I'm gonna use this color because I think this is too dark. So the way you want to apply it, it's almost like using this eyeshadow to draw an eyeline. You can definitely drag a little bit. Okay, so far this eye look is super settled, but I think I'm going to use this eyeliner. And again, this is jet black color from this brand I couldn't pronounce. I will put it down below. With eyeliner, without eyeliner, I'm trying to be really careful with this eyeliner. I'm only hitting almost the roots of your mascara. Now, both of my eyes are done, whether to apply blushes or not. I think I can apply a tiny little bit, and this is from Glossier. You can see in the color Puff, oily. And then what we can do is follow the trace of your contour, and then on top of it, you just I have this lip tint from 3CE. I cleaned my hands. I'm going to apply, I think, this finger. You can see. Super red. Oh my god. So far I think this look on my face is pretty okay now. Now let's do my hair. Okay, hair wise, I think we have pretty similar hairstyle. I think before anything else, let me change into something black. I'm back. Okay, changing to this black shirt so that I can look like him. It's also very loose, short sleeve shirt. Not exactly the same, but you get the idea. Let's fix my hair. Today I'm going to use this Gatsby hair wax in this brown color. Don't be shy with your product. So this wax isn't really sticky, so it was not made to hold your hair. And since we're trying to create a natural look, we're gonna start from the top, grab it. Now, and then you want to push the side in. Okay, I think my hair looks pretty good, you guys. Lastly, I think I want to create his pose.